Hey guys, so welcome back. Today we'll be solving this decode me question from crypto section in Hectabox. So for now I have downloaded the file and I have already solved it before. So I'll be explaining you how to solve it and I'll just give a brief walkthrough on this challenge. So the description is given, try find the flag. Okay, so for the sake of it, we have downloaded that file. We'll just unzip it. So let's extract it, and the password is hectabox itself as it is written there only. So it has been extracted. So we'll just see what is there inside it. Fine, it seems like page 64, but it is not page 64 exactly, because as we can see this GAAA, so that is kind of Fernet encryption. So this is a encryption that has a key, and I hope this is a key. Yeah, this is a key, and this one is the encrypted message. So we'll be solving this using Fernet. Okay, so for that I'll be using an online decoder. You can write a script for it, but for this for saving time I'll just use it for Fernet decoder. Fine, so this is a decoder that we can use for Fernet. Okay, so here we need to paste the token that we've got from here, and this is the token. Okay, I'll just copy and paste it here, and I'll just copy the key and we'll paste that in the key section. Fine, so after determining it, we'll get something. Okay, so this is a base 64 encoded string again that we are getting from it. So after Fernet decoded, then we got this base 64 encoded string. Fine, just I will use CyberSafe for decoding this base 64 key. Maybe we'll get something interesting there. I've solved it from, I think I had solved it last week or something, I don't know. I just forgot it. Okay, so base 64. Cool. So this is base 64 and it is giving something garbage here, but I know that it is kind of malblock. Okay, so this is malblock encrypted. After decoding this base 64, we got this malblock. So we'll be decoding that malblock decoder. Cool. So this is a malblock interpreter. We'll get it online. We'll just paste it here and run the program. Yeah, so you got this HTB, you got this. Okay, so this is the correct flag for this challenge. So you can try this as I've done it, but you can also write a code for it. You just need to import the library called Fernet, and you're good to go. So that's it. Thank you.